Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, the generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the headlight switch. If your headlights do not work, check that fuse, guys. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So right here, guys, we'll be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You will, guys, have two fuse boxes specifically. One is under the hood above the radiator fan, and the other one that we will need today specifically is inside the vehicle, under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel. You open the cover, and once you open it, you will see a fuse box that will look just like this one. We took the picture, zoomed it a little bit so we can clearly show you where each fuse is located, so you can see it in detail. And also, let's explain why it's very important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the headlight switch, if you come in this row right here on the very left side, remember, guys, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. You start from the very top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That fuse, guys, that 15 fuse in our case, okay, that's a fuse that we need to check for the headlight switch. If you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.